What's going on, guys? Welcome to Thin Blue Dive. My name is John, and today we're going over my top 5 locations in the world to scuba dive. I've broken down each of these locations into 5 different categories: large animals, macros, wrecks, coral health, and reef, and best for beginners. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out which is the best place overall in the world to scuba dive. Let's dive in. Number 1, large sea life, the Galapagos Islands. If you want to focus on seeing the big stuff like sharks, rays, turtles, and sea lions, then the Galapagos Islands is the place to go. Here you're going to find schooling hammerhead sharks, whale sharks, manta rays, sea turtles, sea lions, and unique to the Galapagos Islands, the marine iguana. Water temperatures in the Galapagos are more on the cooler side, between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, with strong currents and visibility anywhere between 30 feet to 80 feet. The Galapagos Islands are located along the equator just west of Ecuador, so getting here can be kind of difficult with multiple flights to get to Ecuador and then a flight from Ecuador to the Galapagos Islands. Number 2, macro, the Philippines, more specifically, Dumaguete. If you have a love for the small stuff, then Dumaguete is the place for you. Here you're not going to find the real pretty coral reefs and 100-foot visibility, but that's okay. The lack of visibility in the isolated coral heads really allows you to slow down and hunt for the small stuff. Here you're going to find things like Shaun of the Sheep, nudibranchs, flatworms, crabs, shrimps, pygmy seahorses, pygmy cuttlefish, blue ring octopus, and more. Water temperatures in the Philippines vary between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit with little up to strong current and visibility anywhere between minimal to 100 plus feet. The Philippines is going to be located in the Pacific Ocean, which can be difficult to get to from the United States, requiring multiple flights, sometimes on multiple airlines. Number 3, soft corals and beautiful reefs, Fiji. Is your idea of a dream dive vacation to see endless soft corals and beautiful coral reefs just like you see in the Blue Planet documentaries? Then the soft coral capital of the world is the place for you. Fiji offers over 390 different types of corals and 1,200 different types of fish, to include some of the big stuff such as bull sharks, tiger sharks, whale sharks, manta rays, and turtles. And for the macro lover, don't worry. Fiji offers countless numbers of nudibranchs, flatworms, seahorses, octopus, ribbon eels, shrimps, and crabs. But the massive hard coral formations and the abundance of soft corals really steal the show in Fiji, with their vibrant colors along endless coral reefs that are truly breathtaking. The water temperatures in Fiji tend to be on the cooler side, between 73 degrees to 81 degrees Fahrenheit, with mild to strong currents and visibility all the way up to 100 feet. Fiji is going to be located in the Pacific, but unlike the Philippines and some other locations, Fiji is actually easy to get to from the United States on Fiji Airways with direct flights from LA and Dallas. Number 4, wrecks, Chuck Lagoon. If you dream of finding a chest full of treasure and love exploring shipwrecks, then Chuck Lagoon is a place to go. During World War II, Imperial Japan used Chuck Lagoon, Micronesia as one of their main naval bases, and on February 17th through 18th, 1944, the United States launched Operation Hailstone, which resulted in the sinking of over 60 Japanese ships, tanks, and aircraft. Since Operation Hailstone, the warm, calm waters of Chuck Lagoon have given corals the opportunity to cover these wrecks and turn them into beautiful artificial reefs. The wrecks at Chuck Lagoon lie anywhere between 40 to 215 feet, providing a wreck for divers of all skill levels, from a brand new open water diver to an experienced tech diver. Some of the wrecks to highlight include, hold on, I gotta read these, the Fujikawa Maru, the Shinkoku Maru, the Suzuki Destroyer, and the Nippon Maru. Water temperatures in Chuck Lagoon are on the warmer side, between 82 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with little to no current due to an exterior reef that protects the lagoon, and visibility is anywhere between 40 to 100 feet. Chuck Lagoon is going to be located in Micronesia, so from the United States to get there, it's going to require multiple flights with connections in Honolulu and or Guam. Number 5, best place for beginners, the Cayman Islands. If you live in the United States and want a place that's close by with shallow diving and little to no current, then the Cayman Islands is the place for you. It's personally one of my favorite places in the world to dive, with an abundance of corals, sharks, turtles, and macro critters. Although the reefs at Grand Cayman have declined over the past decade or so, the reefs at Little Cayman and Cayman Brac are still vibrant and full of life. Water temperature in the Cayman Islands is going to be along the warmer side, between 79 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, with little to no current and visibility up to 100 feet. The Cayman Islands is going to be located in the Caribbean, which means it's just a few hours away from the southern United States. Alright, bonus. Best place in the world to dive? Palau. If you're looking for the best place in the world to dive and see it all, such as schooling sharks, manta rays, wrecks, nudibranchs, mandarin fish, and vibrant reefs, then Palau is the place to be. This island chain is home to some of the world's best dive sites, such as German Channel, Blue Corner, and Pelelu. Here you have the opportunity to see some of everything, but diving in Palau can be a bit on the harder side, requiring you to have a reef hook to fight some of the stronger currents. But as they say in Palau, no current, no life. The cool waters and strong currents of Palau bring in an abundance of minerals and plankton, which creates the perfect place for corals to grow. This attracts an abundance of reef fish, which brings in your larger predators. The krill and plankton that gather here creates a buffet for manta rays, so you'll often see them flipping, rolling, and flying through the water to feed. Palau also offers the only place in the world to swim with thousands of stingless jellyfish at their world-renowned Jellyfish Lake. Water temperatures in Palau tend to be between 82 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, although I felt like it was a little bit cooler last time I was there, with mild to strong currents and visibility anywhere between 40 to 100 feet. Palau is located in the South Pacific, so you're going to have multiple flights with layovers in Honolulu and Guam. And that's it, my top 5 locations in the world of scuba dive. What's your top 5 locations? Do you agree with me, or do you feel like you have somewhere better? Just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those notifications to all. That way you never miss out on a new video. And I'll see you in the water.